Welcome back to Julia's Jammin' Kitchen. Fall is officially here and there's pumpkins in the air. I picked this beautiful sugar pumpkin from my local farm. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make pumpkin puree from scratch. But first, like, subscribe, share with family and friends. Now let's get jamming in the kitchen. First, we're gonna halve our pumpkin. I'm gonna cut my stem off. And I'm gonna scoop these guts out. This is my least favorite part because they feel like slimy and ewy and disgusting. Ooh. Alright, pumpkin guts, be gone. For those of you who love roasted pumpkin seeds, save your guts, clean them up, and get your seeds roasting. For those of you who don't and you compost at home, throw those guts away in your compost bin. I'm gonna brush the insides of our pumpkins now with a nice neutral oil. This is gonna allow us to help our pumpkins to caramelize nicely as they're roasted in the oven, and also help them from not losing too much moisture as they bake. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle with a light touch of sea salt. Our halves look great. Let's grab our cookie sheet covered in parchment paper, and we're gonna place our pumpkin halves flesh side down. Let's pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 45 minutes. These smell great. The best way to test to see if they're done is with a fork. Let's pierce the skin. Look at how easily that fork pierces the skin and comes right out. All right, we're gonna let them cool for approximately 15 minutes. Always make sure your pumpkins are warm to touch. Actually, it looks like our roasting did the trick for us. Look how easily the spoon just cuts into it. Let's puree this pumpkin. Look at that creamy, smooth goodness. It's a little warm, so just be careful as you scoop it out. We definitely did a good job on our puree. Pumpkin puree is very versatile. We can use it to make pumpkin bread, pumpkin caramel sauce, pumpkin pie, pumpkin cookies, and the list can go on and on and on. And if you're feeling adventurous, maybe try to make some pumpkin eggnog. Go get experimenting in your kitchen, and I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin' Kitchen.